Most damp problems don't start years later. They start while the house is still being built. And one hidden moisture mistake can lead to mold, peeling paint, wet walls, bad smells, and thousands in repairs. In this video, Lady C reveals the hidden construction mistakes that secretly trap moisture inside homes, and how to prevent them before it's too late. Stay until the end because one of the biggest causes of damp is something most homeowners never see, hidden underground beneath the house. Damp happens when unwanted moisture enters or becomes trapped inside a building. Over time, this moisture can damage paint, weaken walls, destroy finishes, and create dangerous mold growth. And the worst part is, many damp problems begin long before people move into the house. One of the biggest causes of damp starts outside the home, poor drainage around the foundation. When water cannot move away from the building, it slowly collects around the structure and begins penetrating walls and floors. This is why proper slope and drainage systems are critical during construction. Water should always flow away from the house, never toward it. Another major mistake is failing to install a proper damp-proof membrane or damp-proof course. These waterproof barriers stop underground moisture from rising into walls and floors. Without them, moisture slowly travels upward through the structure, causing rising damp, mold, and long-term water damage. One hidden danger many homeowners never think about is underground water beneath the house. When moisture becomes trapped around foundations, hydrostatic pressure begins building underground. Over time, this pressure forces water into walls, floors, and small cracks in the structure. Sometimes, homeowners only notice the problem after mold or damp stains appear inside the home. Damp problems are not always caused by leaks. Poor ventilation can also trap moisture inside the home. Bathrooms, kitchens, and poorly ventilated rooms produce moisture every day. Without proper airflow, condensation forms on walls and windows, creating the perfect environment for mold growth. Quick quiz. What is the biggest hidden cause of damp? Is it A, paint, B, underground moisture, or C, furniture? You have 10 seconds. Comment your answer below. Answer B, underground moisture. Roof leaks and blocked gutters are another major source of moisture problems in homes. Even small roofing mistakes can allow water to enter ceilings and walls during heavy rain. Over time, hidden leaks can cause serious damp damage before homeowners even realize there is a problem. One hidden mistake many people overlook is building with wet materials. Timber, blocks, and concrete exposed to excessive moisture during construction can trap water inside the building structure. If the house is sealed before materials dry properly, damp problems can develop later inside walls and floors. One reason damp becomes such a hidden problem in new homes is because modern interiors often look perfect on the surface. Fresh paint, glossy walls, and clean finishes can hide moisture problems developing quietly underneath. Sometimes homeowners believe everything is fine, while hidden damp slowly spreads behind walls, flooring, and insulation. And by the time mold finally appears, the damage inside the structure may already be serious. Some damp problems begin because of construction shortcuts. Poor sealing around windows, damaged waterproof membranes, weak roofing details, and rushed workmanship can all allow moisture to enter the home. In heavy rain, even small construction mistakes can slowly lead to major water damage over time. And in many cases, homeowners do not discover the problem until months or years later. One of the most dangerous things about damp is that the damage often remains hidden. Moisture can spread behind walls, underneath flooring, and inside insulation long before homeowners notice visible signs. By the time mold appears on the surface, the hidden damage inside the structure may already be severe. And repairing hidden damp problems can become extremely expensive. Damp and mold are not just building problems. They can also affect health and daily life inside the home. Poor indoor moisture conditions may contribute to breathing problems, allergies, bad smells, and unhealthy living environments. And for families living with damp every day, the emotional stress can become overwhelming. One reason damp becomes such a serious problem is because many warning signs are easy to ignore at first. A small stain, slight condensation, peeling paint, or a damp smell may seem harmless in the beginning. But underneath the surface, moisture may already be spreading through the building. And by the time the damage becomes visible, repairs may already be costly. Most damp problems don't happen overnight. They begin quietly, hidden behind walls, underneath floors, and deep around the foundations of the home. Wet materials, trapped moisture, poor drainage, underground water, and rushed construction mistakes can silently damage a house long before homeowners notice the warning signs. And sometimes, the most dangerous moisture problems are hidden inside homes that still look brand new on the surface. If you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe, like, and share as Lady C continues uncovering the hidden construction mistakes, drainage failures, and building secrets most homeowners never see until it's too late. And in the next video, we reveal how to prevent damp while building before moisture destroys your home from the inside. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.